this is the second part of the 2019 Reading STAAR test, 6th grade. So just in case you're confused, I will be putting the link to the STAAR test file in the description so that you can look at the reading and look at the test, or like if you want to review more. Okay, anyways, let's get started. So first question. So this is part 2. So we're going to read the story called Firebird. So click on the link and go to that article. Okay, first after you finish read, pause the video, read it, and then unpause it. Okay, now that we finished reading, we have to answer the question. So first we have question 8. Based on information presented in the selection, what can the reader conclude about the black-beaked woodpecker? It prefers to eat small insects, but also consume a variety of fruits and seeds. It doesn't say that. Okay, the answer is G. It is better protected from danger when living in a burned forest than living in an unburned forest. Because that have a lot to do with it, and it says in paragraph 2, its dark color make it hard for predators to detect among trees blackened by fire. So it helps it camouflage, so it's more safe. So the answer would be G. Okay, read the origin of the word devastate. So from Latin de and vestere, or whatever how they pronounce it, meaning to lay waste. So if something is laid waste, it means it's in ruins. So like it doesn't mean it's empty, harsh, or remote. But to make sure, I'm gonna go back to paragraph 1 and see if the word fits ruins. It may seem ruins. It may seem ruin. Okay, that makes sense. Okay, next question. The author wrote this selection most likely to describe the way that forest fire affect an area. No. Okay, the answers explain how burned forest benefits the black-beaked woodpecker. So the answer is this, because if you look at what each paragraph's about, and you should have stop and jot, like I put an example here, you can see that because a special kind of bird, it have dark color, so it benefits the woodpecker, and how the woodpecker build homes and stuff, and then the next animal come in, and that's how they bring new life. And yeah, so like that's how the woodpecker help the forest. So, and it's like a good thing for both of them. Which sentence from the selection best explain why the black-beaked woodpecker is able to build this unique type of home? So the answer is has a very thin skull bone and strong neck. So if you go back to paragraph 4, you'll see. Builds a home called a nest cavity. The nest is usually built inside a tree off a trunk and fallen off. The bird has a pointy hard beak designed for drilling in wood. So if it wants to drill in wood, it needs something to tolerate it. So it also has very thick skull bone and strong neck. Both help it tolerate the constant pecking. So the strong neck and bone and skull bone help it tolerate the pecking to build its home. So that's why it helps it build the home. What can the reader conclude from paragraph 5 through 8? So 5 through 8, homes for all the black-beaked forest. Okay, so in this paragraph, we talk about how the homes can be built to use by other birds. So it's benefiting other birds, and then abandon their nest, more animals. So animals who return to the forest will be able to find home easier. More insects live in trees, followed by birds that eat the insect, and eventually bigger animals that eat the birds. So it brings back life slowly to the rainforest. Okay, let's 5 through 8. Okay. And then these two talk about, this is how the ash and things bring back life in the rainforest. Other types of woodpeckers, some just, yeah. So this is how the life is coming back. So basically, you can say that these fours are about bringing back to life in the last, so the answer is F, because the work of the blackbird woodpecker, it talk about how they help bring back life to the rainforest, and it helped the survival of these other animals and keep them alive. So it'll be F. The photograph and caption in next to paragraph 5 and 6 in the selection convey the idea that the nest cavity. So 5 and 6 is that. So peeks out of his nest cavity. So it's inside of the nest, right? So no predator can go inside, and yeah, it's safe. So let's answer. Provide a safe environment. That's what I just said, because it's inside, the broad predator can't get in. Extend beyond the tree. It doesn't show the nest going through the tree and going beyond the tree, so it's not that. It's easy and fast. Okay, it doesn't show them constructing it or the speed of them constructing it, so no. Can only be used in certain seasons. It doesn't really show that either, because it just because it's in that season doesn't mean it can't be used in other seasons. Okay, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.